Valentine's Day coming up, you really want to show your love for people. If you want to see some really crazy hacks for Valentine's Day, keep watching till the very end. Thanks for joining us on Ready Set Viral. Let's talk about easy hacks for Valentine's Day. Number 1, light bulb of love. For this one, you'll need a light bulb and a red or a pink wire. Bend a wire to make 2 hearts and connect them to wooden cubes. Place the light bulb on it and glue it to the square so it won't come off. You can add some sentences on a paper to it as well. Number 2, candy angel. For this hack, get your favorite candy and some clay. Roll it into a ball and connect it with a candy by using hot glue. Attach 2 smaller ones that will look like hands. Paint the face and add some hair from whatever you choose. We're using some thread. Cut out some wings from foam and glue them to the angel that we're making. Fasten them to the back of the candy and voila, you have a very cute angel. We also added some paper notes. Number 3, frame. For this one, get a frame and print out a map and cut out hearts from it. Glue it to the frame with the help of some glue, and the first place should be the place in which you two met. The next one should be the first place you kissed. Describe it with a simpler version of what we just said and fasten it to the bottom of the hearts. Then draw some lines connecting the description to the places and you have a very nostalgic gift. Number 4, nesting boxes. For this one, you're going to need a lot of nesting boxes of every size. Take a tiny box and fill it with bright sequins. Hide a ring in it. Wrap the box with wrapping paper and pour sequins into a bigger box and wrap that one as well. Repeat this with a slightly larger box each time and carefully pack each of the layers with either glitter, confetti, or sequins. You can also choose a different wrapping paper for each box and at the end, put a ribbon on it. Number 5, heart decorations. For this one, grab a red ribbon and some thread. Cut off some of the ribbon and fold it in half. Fasten a piece of double-sided tape on each end. Add the cork around the edges and connect them with the help of said tape. Do as many as possible and connect them to the thread by using hot glue. In the end, you should have a really big heart made from smaller hearts. Isn't it so cute? Number 6, an arrow pen. For this one, grab some colorful paper and cut an arrow shape out of it. Then bend it lengthwise and make 2 cuts just short of the end of the paper. This way, it'll make a loop that you can put your pen through. Number 7, puzzles. For this one, print a photo of the 2 of you. Thicker paper will be better. Make marks in the photo with a pen and cut the large puzzle pieces along the lines. Mix the pieces together and do the same with another photo. Put it in the package and you could play the puzzles together and try and finish them on Valentine's Day. Number 8, LED heart. For this one, grab a piece of cardboard and draw a dotted heart and drill through the holes. Then insert the small Christmas light bulbs into the holes and place it inside a frame. You'll have a really unique present. Number 9, owl. For this one, you'll need a piece of cardboard, scrapbook paper, and some decor. Cover the 2 pink papers and fold the end inwards. Fasten some eyes, a yellow beak, and draw wings in a piece of red. Cut out the wings, add them to your owl, and hot glue it and cover it with sequins. Add a love note between the wings, and that is all. Number 10, mittens. For this one, you'll need 2 mittens, one for women and for other men's. Cut off the tip of the mittens and make a cut on the inside so that they will be connected. Fasten a big red heart and it's done. Number 11, candles. For this one, take a candle out of the wick. Cut it into small pieces and take a silicone mold in the form of hearts. Place the wicks into the molds as well as the pieces of candle and melt it in an oven. Then you'll have a lot of smaller candles. Number 12, candle scenery. For this one, get a big glass vase and fill it with water. Drop some flower petals in it and place small candles on them. It'll look like they're floating and be overall beautiful. That's all we have for you guys today. We hope you enjoyed it and be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you did. Until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!